Hi everyone, welcome to the third video on the Bold Trail training. This video is going to be covering how to create hashtags and set up the hashtags. So let's get started. So what exactly are hashtags? Hashtags are an efficient way to organize your contacts within the Smart CRM and allow you to quickly filter for a specific group in order to communicate with them or update the information. Hashtags can be used to trigger other actions and or communication for Bold Trail. So this is the best way that a lot of the information within your CRM is filtered. You use hashtags to be able to find specific leads for a certain property, a certain listing. It's a way that you know who to contact for this listing. Hashtags literally run the way that Bold Trail is used. So there are three ways that you can, create your hashtags. And these are the manual ways to do them. You have your contact record notes, and smart CRM actions. So contact record, this is the simplest way to create hashtags to create a contact record. This method will create a hashtag for future use as well as automatically apply it to specific contacts. So to start, you navigate the CRM tab, which is in the left of your dashboard. You'll click on contacts and the name that you want to be able to create that hashtag for. Find the hashtag section and then click add. You'll type in the new hashtag you would like to create for it. So it could be like hashtag 123 ABC property name. Click enter. And then if this hashtag already exists, it should come down in the drop box. So you see here in this little middle section, around the contact's name, you type in the contact, you press enter, and then you can see that it's been added because it'll have how many contacts is by hashtags and what that actual hashtag name is. And this is what this section will look like when you go to a contact's information's name. Contact record notes. This method allows for you to create hashtags within a contact record by using add note option. So it's pretty much the same thing as what we did before. You're just doing it in the note section instead of directly adding it to the hashtag section. So you'll go to your Smart CRM, click on the content that you want. Right here where it says notes, you'll click on that and then you will add the hashtag name. Make sure you always put the hashtag symbol there so that it recognizes that that is what you're trying to do. You'll click add note and then you'll see it in the note when you're looking at the contact's information. So the Smart CRM actions is in your Smart CRM under the More Actions drop-down tab. You can create new hashtags and mass apply them to multiple contacts, which is great because then you spend less time trying to do this one by one, adding them to contacts. So you'll go to your Smart CRM tab, filter the contacts that you want, you'll click the ones that you want, and then you will add all of the names to that hashtag. And when you click more options for the drop-down menu at the top of the contacts table, add hashtags and type in the name you would like to create, press enter, and then update it and open them all here. So when you look at this video here, you see that they're adding the contacts and then clicking update. So they'll use the little check boxes that are by it. So that way you can know which ones you want it to be on. So automatically creating hashtags, this is the second method. Using this method allows for you to streamline your organizing process and removes a manual step on your end, which will freeze up additional time that you spend with your clients. So there's three different types for this. You have squeeze pages, landing pages, and the Zapper integration. So a squeeze page, when creating a squeeze page, you can select an existing hashtag or create an automatic for a squeeze page. When creating a squeeze page, you can select an existing hashtag or create a new hashtag that will automatically be added to any lead generated link when you use that specific page. There is not a limit to how many hashtags you can select for this or apply. You can do 5 or less. Just try to make them important so that you know what they're for. And I will be teaching a specific class on how to create your squeeze and landing page. So we'll go more into detail about that. Now, a landing page is very similar to a squeeze page. You can create hashtags that will automatically add any leads registering from that page. This page will quickly filter for leads generated from a specific page to see how well the page is generating leads for your business property, and it sends out mass communications related to why those leads have registered. And then we have the Zaper integration. If you're using a Zaper integration to push leads into Bold Trail from an outside system, you can set up a Zap to send a hashtag along with lead information when pushing it into Bold Trail. But it only uses if you have a Zaper account or other ways that you're getting leads from to be able to do this. The main two that are used for Bold Trail would be the first two options. But once you've done all that, you're all set. You did a great job today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.